This is Central Drum CI Flexo printing machine. 4-color 1200 mm width. First time installed in Algeria, North Africa. Maily used to print paper cups and paper bowls. It also can print shopping bags, such as shopping plastic bag and paper bag. This machine with video inspection system and semi-auto register system. For more details, feel free to contact Mr. Sam from WENZHOU WTO Tech Co. Limited. www.wtotech.com. WhatsApp 86 187 6779 9654.